I think it started, I think 2021 specifically. I like after Corona, when people saw the whatever is happening in their countries and whatever the problems they are facing, and everybody likes to go to a place wherein their daily life is not interrupted by whatever the reason is. Name it, like geopolitically, or anything about the finance or a business, or a normal people want to come to a country wherein they can live peacefully, at the same time they can earn money, and at the same time they can enjoy their life.
Yes, true.
Very simple. So I think after 2021, I don't know what Dubai did.
Boom of
It's like a
real
boom of
estate brokers,
agents,
agents.
boom of projects, boom of clients. And after that, so many things happened geopolitically also.
Yeah,
Like, let's say, Russia, Ukraine war, and then,
yeah.
what is happening in Middle East. And even my country was fighting a few days back with my neighbor country. So all this thing affect people. And I think the reason behind what I've been talking to a lot of people for the last 6 months, because of my podcast. And whatever the one thing I came to know, that the only reason people want to come to Dubai, that of course, if not in, of course it's a foreign land first of all, but then if not in my country, I can still go to Dubai because it is very easy to go to Dubai. And there is a lot of scope to make money also, because everybody wants to become a millionaire, a billionaire. I don't know how many will become eventually, but that is the main concept. Olga, you said that you were absolutely new, you are from the tourism background
Yeah.
from your country and all. I want to ask you one question, that because you did not know anything, did you know anybody before you came to Dubai? Like, did
Yes,
you
I
have any
had
friends?
friends. Yes,
Okay,
I had
so they
friends
were
who were
into
living.
real estate.
Yes, they were from
Okay,
real estate industry.
perfect. So how did you start making yourself learning? Because Dubai is not small. Dubai is 4,112 square kilometer. So, and different areas, different buildings. One building has 450 apartments. So how did you train yourself?
So I was lucky in this case because I
Mm,
had support from the
mm,
people whom I knew before I was just relocate. So
mm,
I did not come from nowhere to just random. So
mm,
it was a very advised decision.
mm.
I had people, I can rely on these people. They were from this industry and they were already successful real estate agents.
Wow.
So they tell me like, don't worry for the knowledge. What we need from you, we need your passion. It's very important. Your eyes should be shining.